In this video, we will understand how to install the Udaan post editing tool on Windows operating system. So first of all, you have to search this Udaan project and then browse to udaanproject.org. Here, click on quick links. Installation guide is there also. You can refer to that. Similarly, there is user guide. So to download the tool, we will click on this download tool button. Here you have to choose your operating system. So I am downloading it on my Windows OS. I will choose Windows. You will be redirected to a Google Drive link here. Now select this, right click and download this file. If this pop-up appears, click download anyway. If you are unable to download, just see that this you can see cannot download file. To download this file, try enabling third-party cookies. So just click on this cookie symbol here, click on site not working, click allow cookies. Now this website will refresh and you will be able to download it now. So we will try to download it now after it refresh. Now click download anyway. You can see now the download has started. So we will wait for a moment until this gets downloaded fully. So the download is complete. Now you will go to your downloads folder here. So let's go to downloads folder. There will be your version, this Udaan. Okay. Now what you have to do is just uh, open this and click on this extract all button, and you can extract it as per your this software which you have for extracting the zip file. So click on extract all, then you can select any location if you want to keep this software at some different location. Let's say I want to keep it in my F drive, so I can select my F drive, and there you can select your folder as well. So let's select this F drive, then click on select folder, click on extract. So the extraction has started. After that, you will go to your location where you have extracted the version. You can see now version 3.5.9 in my F drive. Open it. Now you can see this QPad final. This is the exe file. Just double click it. Here you can see this Windows protected your PC. Click on more info. Click on run anyway. You can see the application has launched. Okay, so this is the installation. Now we need to log in this tool. What you can do is, I'm already logged in, so I will just log out to show you. So I will close the tool. Here you can see a login window pops up where you have to enter your email ID and password. If you have not created the account yet on the Udaan website, you can click on this create account button, and here you have to create your account first. So you will enter your email ID, your first name, last name, password. You will confirm your password and click on register. When you will click on register, you will receive an email to verify your account. After you verify your account, you will be able to log in here with your email and password. You have to enter your email and password here. Click on login button. You can see logged in successfully message is there. If you are using Windows 8 or Windows 7, then you need to install curl also. So for installing the curl, what you have to do is, because if you are using the Windows 7 or 8, then you might not be able to log in here. You can see any error, and then you have to go here in the browser, search for curl for Windows. Click on curl for Windows. This first website, curl.se. Here you can choose as per your operating system. So if you have 64-bit system, you can download this one. If you have 32-bit, download this one. So I have 64-bit, I will download this. After downloading it, just go to your C drive and make a new folder, name it as curl, and then go to downloads. So my file is not yet downloaded. Let's wait a second. Okay, so it is downloaded. Now you have to, yeah, so here it is downloaded. Now just extract it. So I will click on it, extract all, then I will browse to my C drive where I have created this curl folder. Here I will select the curl folder and extract the things to my curl folder in the C drive. After this extraction gets complete, so what you will do is you will search for edit environment variables for your account. There you will just search for this path variable, and you can see in my C drive in curl it is here. Now you have to enter this bin. Now when you are in the bin, just click here, copy this path, Control C to copy this path. Go to your edit environment variables. Here edit environment variables. If you can see, there is a path variable here. In your system, if there is no path variable, just click on new. In the path name, just write path. In the variable name, just paste what you have copied and then click OK. Click OK. But if there is already path variable, like in my case there is already path variable, I have to click on that, click on edit, and then I can herein add new path. Here I have to enter my new path and I have to click OK. OK, and it is done. So remember, this step is only required for Windows 7 and Windows 8 users. This is not required for Windows 10 and above. After that, you will be able to log in this system. For Windows 10, Windows 11 and other Windows, if you still face this issue, then please try switching your network. If you are using your organization Wi-Fi, you might be face this issue. You might face this issue because of the organization Wi-Fi restrictions. You might not be able to log in on our server. So if you are facing this issue still, you can try switching your network. You can try using your mobile hotspot to log in, and then you will be able to log in. So this was all about how to install the tool on Windows operating system. Thank you.